Hello everyone, my name is Alec with Abrites, and today we're going to be inspecting the Vehicle Inspection Kit by Abrites. As the name suggests, the Vehicle Inspection Kit is designed to be used as an inspection for vehicles. What you can do is you can go through all the VIN numbers inside the vehicle, see if there are any discrepancies in the mileage or if there are any discrepancies in the VIN numbers inside, or you can also inspect the keys of the vehicles itself. So, as you can see, you have a standard VIN Reader MODI OBD dongle, and you also have a PROTAG programmer, which you can use so that you can read the keys from the vehicles you're inspecting. A very good feature of the Vehicle Inspection Kit is the fact that you can gather all the information from the vehicle itself, and then you can gather them inside a report, and of course email that report somewhere or share it with whoever needs to read the information. Law enforcement authorities, or if you are part of the law enforcement authorities, you can then escalate the contents of this report to your superiors. Like I said, we use a standard phone, and in this case it's an iPhone, but it also works on Android devices as well. The PROTAG programmer can be used to read different types of keys. So right here in the key reading slot, you have the infrared option to read the keys inside the infrared slot. There is also a supplied cable, which allows you to connect the PROTAG programmer and of course charge it, or connect it with a USB to another device. During the installation of your vehicle inspection kit, you will be asked to input a Vehicle Inspection Kit set ID. This happens through the Key Inspector app right here, and the set ID is found on the back end on the label, which says Vehicle Inspection Kit. Right here on the back of the PROTAG, you will find a small button which initiates the Bluetooth so that it can connect to your phone, and we have a selection of keys right here. So we will start with an older 10-year-old Porsche key, which we will read. For the different brands, you will see different sort of information. Here in this instance, you can see the key ID, the physical number of the blade, and the odometer value. You can also see the VIN number and see if that matches to the vehicle you're testing. You also have, in some instances, you will have a technical picture of the key, which also tells you the type of key, which in this case is a Hi-Tag Pro. Try and read a BMW key here, and we are reading the key, and here in this case we have a lot more information. For example, under BMW keys, you can see that you also have the color code of the vehicle, of course the coolant temperature and stuff like that, the VIN number as well, the creation date in this instance. You can see the key frequency, you can see the coolant level, the ID of the key, and all this different information. When was the last time the vehicle was driven? It is basically whatever information is contained inside the key. We provide you with said information through the Key Inspector application. Okay, we find ourselves inside a very standard Mercedes C-Class, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and use the Vehicle Inspection Kit on this vehicle. So we have plugged in our MODI VIN Reader dongle into the OBD port. We have turned the ignition on. Then we're going to start and press the Mercedes button, and what we can see here is all the VIN numbers from the different modules inside the car. Now we're waiting for the software on the app to go through all the modules and start communicating with this. You will require internet connectivity for this part. You will be able to gather the full report and then of course send the report if need be. So you can scroll through all of the VIN numbers, which you see here. It will then go into a red if it's out of place. The odometer value is not just stored in the instrument cluster, it is also stored in various other modules. This usually takes no more than 2-3 minutes. We have now finished the full scan of the vehicle. We can see that we don't find any discrepancies here. The VIN numbers match throughout the vehicle. The odometer values also match it throughout the vehicle. This is a very, very good sign. Press on the Send Report button. Mercedes C-Class, so 2.0, year 18 or 19. Notes inspected by me. I can send this report right now. I can choose to generate a PDF file, an HTML, or a comma separated value file. I can share it here. and I can also email it to somebody. For the final test, we're going to be doing a bit of a diagnostic session using the MODI app. I will connect the dongle again to the vehicle's OBD port, like so. Going to turn the ignition on, and I'm going to open the MODI app, scroll down to Porsche. I have basic and advanced diagnostics. Going through the basic diagnostics menu, and then I can pull up a health report for the car. MODI and VIN Reader app have great speed for diagnostics. It was also improved in one of our latest updates. We can see we are going through all the modules. Inside the engine controller, I have two diagnostic trouble codes. So once the health report is complete, then I can once again export the report and save it on my phone or email it to somebody. This is very helpful when you're doing sort of pre-purchase inspections for vehicles. So instead of first taking it to a shop and for the shop to do all that, you can do the first initial pre-purchase inspection right there at the dealer lot.